Someone asked me today how to see the average position. They are putting together their business decision spreadsheet. This is the first big part of the project. And the average position for the keywords, they weren't able to find that. So I'm going to show you how you find that. So you should be aware of tools and the keyword planner already. If you're not seeing the same format and look, click up here, or is it here? Yeah, click up here on the little gear, and then click this link. It won't look like this. It will say something along the lines of go back to the old design. This is the old design that we're looking at, and so you'll want to click the link to go back to the old design. And then come to Tools and go to Keyword Planner. And what we're going to do is we're going to put in some keywords. The best way to get the average position is to do a forecast. So Google kind of will let you forecast out in the future what you're looking at. Let's just pretend I am looking at some clothing items. So let's pretend these are the keywords that I want to evaluate. Some things that you want to set up. So you copy and paste your keywords in from your spreadsheet, and then come down here and set your targeting. If you don't want to sell nationwide, and you only want to sell for a certain area, maybe you have a brick and mortar or a click and mortar, you can click in here and then change this targeting to smaller geography. Or you can change from the United States to Brazil, if you're in Brazil or Russia or whatever it is, okay? And then the date range. You'll want to, it will automatically set this to the next 7 days, and it will show it as a daily forecast. If you do that and you click Get Forecasts, it may not show you anything for the average position because the search volume may be too low. So what I recommend you do is do a custom time period and then select the next 2 full months. So selecting June through the end of July, and then change display forecasts from day to month, and then click save. Okay. What you're doing here is you're telling Google to look at a full month and bundle those results together, and then look at the next full month and bundle those results together. And then we click Get Forecast. Okay. And it will take a minute here to load. Oh, sorry. It will not load any of these things here until we put in the bid. So enter a bid. This is how much you will pay each time someone clicks an advertisement. So let's say you only want to pay 50 cents per click. And your daily budget, let's say, is $10. Okay, once I enter both of those, I'll put it back in there. Okay. Once I enter both of those, it will recalculate everything down here, and it will show you that in a given month, I can expect to get 841 clicks. It will cost me $304 a month. My average position is 2.97. So here is that elusive average position that some of you may have been wondering how you get to. I'll also show you your average cost per click is 36 cents, 5.4% click-through rate. That's really good. That's showing that it's not a super competitive keyword or keyword grouping. Okay, and this is what you need for your spreadsheet. Thanks.